Hello, I welcome you all for this continuous session of types of chopper circuits. So in this session, we are going to see the class D and class E chopper. So as class D chopper is a two-quadrant chopper similar to the class C chopper, but class D chopper operates in first quadrant and fourth quadrant, whereas class E chopper operates in all four quadrants. So let us see the configuration of class D chopper. Class D chopper consists of completely four switches. In that two are the controlled switches CH1 and CH2, and the two are the uncontrolled switches diode 1 and diode 2. So in between these two legs your load is connected and this combination is connected to voltage source. So with this configuration we can achieve the first quadrant operation, that means voltage positive, current positive. Fourth quadrant operation, voltage negative and current positive. So this chopper configuration consists of two control switches and two diodes. Now the operation of first quadrant and fourth quadrant, that means voltage positive and negative, because the current polarity is always positive, the voltage polarity is changing from positive to negative. So the operation of the positive voltage polarity and the operation of the negative voltage polarity depends upon the turn on and turn off time of the control switches. So the polarity of the output voltage depends upon the chopper on time and off time. So when T on time of the chopper is greater than T off time, that means on time is greater than off time, then output voltage is a positive, that means the first quadrant operation. Now when T on time is less than T off time, that means on time is less than off time, then the output voltage is negative, that means it can be operated in fourth quadrant operation. Now if T on is equal to T off, then obviously the output voltage value is equals to 0. So based on these conditions we can operate our chopper either in first quadrant or fourth quadrant operation. So let us see the mode of operation. In the first quadrant operation, the chopper, in this mode of operation, two chopper switches, that means the CH1 and CH2, both are in switched on condition simultaneously. So when the chopper circuits switches CH1 and CH2 both are on, then the current flow path, just we will observe the current flow path. So first starts with the VDC source, then point A, then it's a CH1 switch, point B, and load. Through the load we have the inductance and load part, CH2 and VDC. So when we see this path, the voltage polarity across the load is a positive. When you are considering this direction, this is positive and this is negative, we are assuming this polarity is the positive polarity, and the current direction is from source to, again source positive to negative, that is the positive polarity from B to this part, from positive to negative, this part the current direction is there. So this is where the voltage is positive, the voltage across the load is equals to VDC, the VDC is applied, and the current is exponentially increases because of the inductance, it slowly stores the energy. And the chopper works in first quadrant because the voltage polarity is positive as well as the current direction is also a positive. So that's why we can call, in this mode of operation, the chopper circuit operated in first quadrant operation. That means voltage is positive and current is also a positive. Now we'll go for the fourth quadrant operation, that is the mode 2 operation. So in fourth quadrant operation, when the switches are off condition, T off condition, then automatically diode 1 and diode 2 will be forward biased, automatically it will conduct. So when the chopper circuit CH1 and both are CH2 are switched off simultaneously, then diode D1 and D2 are forward biased, and you can check the current flows. It starts with load, C point, load, diode 1, L, diode 2 and V, and the current direction is this one, and the voltage polarity applied, this is the positive, E is applied and negative is applied at V. So both diodes will be, the current direction is reversed and voltage direction, the current direction is reversed and voltage direction is. So the chopper works in fourth quadrant because the output voltage is negative and output current is positive. You can observe the current direction is again the same direction the current will be flowed. So the application of this chopper, it will be in the motoring, forward motoring mode and regenerative braking mode. So we can see the both types of waveforms. First type of waveform is when T on is less than T off. When T on time is less than T off, then we have discussed already the output voltage. The average output voltage is negative. So here you can clearly observe that T off time is much greater than T on time in both the switches Ig1 and Ig2. So then when this is the on, then your current will be discharged and current will be increased when this switch is on. Again it is discharged when this switch is current is on. So similarly current charging and discharging, it is depends upon inducting value, continuous conduction. So in this mode the negative voltage polarity will be applied across the load so that the average voltage value will be negative. So here we can clearly show. So in this mode the D1 D2 will be conducting. So in this mode CH1 and D1 is CH2 and D1 is conducting. So in this mode D1 and D2 is conducting. So like this the conduction takes place. Now in the second mode of operation, when T on is greater than T off, so you can clearly observe T on time is greater than T off time. Your T on time is greater than T off time. So obviously the average output voltage is positive. So here also correction will take, this is a T on time and this is a T off time. So the T on time is greater than T off time. So obviously the voltage polarity will be positive. So you can clearly see the current continuous current direction and voltage polarity. So previous mode in T on is less than T off, then it is a fourth quadrant operation. When T on is greater than T off, it is a first quadrant operation. Now we will discuss the important points of class D chopper. So from the waveform, the average value of the output voltage depends upon T on and T off time. So your output voltage depends on T on and T off time. If T on time is more, then net voltage polarity is positive. Clearly you can show the output voltage V0 is equals to Vs into T on minus T off by T. So when T on is greater, it is a positive polarity. When T on is less than T off, you will get a negative sign. So obviously the average output voltage is negative. So the average load voltage is positive if the chopper on time is more than off time. So average output voltage becomes negative if it is T on is less than T off. So first quadrant is used for in application forward motoring mode, and fourth quadrant is used for regenerative braking mode. So this is the basic summary of class D chopper in first quadrant and fourth quadrant operation. Now let us see the another type of chopper, that is a class E chopper, which is a 4 quadrant operation. So let us see the another type of chopper. It is a class E chopper which is operated in all 4 quadrants. So it is a parallel combination of connection of a type C chopper. So all 4 quadrants will be operated here, and the configuration if you are observe, so there are 4 controlled switches and 4 uncontrolled switches. CH1 and CH2, CH3, CH4 are the controlled switches. D1, D2, D3, D4 are uncontrolled switches. CH1, CH2, CH3, CH4 are controlled switches. D1, D2, D3, D4 are uncontrolled switches, and the load is connected, and so we can observe all the 4 quadrants it will be operated. Let us see the first quadrant operation of this. So in this first quadrant, when this circuit operated in the first quadrant, the CH1 and CH2 are switched on. That means the switch 1, CH1 and CH2 is switched on. Then your path will be, so the voltage is applied to positive source CH1 and load CH2 and negative part of the voltage. So the output voltage and current, you can observe this is the positive and negative, and the current direction is this one. So you can observe it is a first quadrant operation. Here the voltage is positive as well as current is positive. So it is a first quadrant operation. Now second quadrant operation. The second quadrant operation, when CH3 and CH4 are switched off and the stored energy of the inductor dissipated through diodes. So you can observe D1 and D2 are switched on, and the current direction is like this: minus of the source through D2, load, D1 and source. But the voltage polarity, you can observe the point is a positive here and negative here. So voltage polarity is positive, but current direction is in the reverse direction. So you can clearly observe the voltage is positive and the current is negative. Then the period it can be operated in second quadrant operation. Now we'll go for the third quadrant operation of the class E chopper. So where the switches CH3 and CH4 are switched on condition. When the chopper CH3 and CH4 are switched on condition, so let us see the current direction. It starts with the positive point of the source C, CH3, load, F, E, CH4 and I. So if you observe, the current is in this direction and voltage is, here it is a positive, here it is a negative. So both are in the reverse direction. Current is reversed as well as voltage is also a reversed. Then it is a, you can clearly observe the current is a negative direction and voltage is also a negative. The output voltage and current both are in negative direction. So it is a third quadrant operation. Now let us see the fourth quadrant operation. So in fourth quadrant operation, so automatically the diode D3 and D4 will be switched on. Not switched on, it's automatically biased. So in fourth quadrant operation, diode D3 and D4 are conducting mode. So then the path of the conducting path of the circuit is starts with minus part of VC, load D4, load D3 and positive part of it. So here clearly you can observe voltage part is voltage applied across this is the negative, because this terminal is positive and this terminal is negative. So the voltage applied V0 is negative, but the current direction is the positive. So obviously, so you can observe the quadratic operation. The current is positive but voltage is negative. It is a fourth quadrant operation. So like this we can analyze the four quadrant operations. So in all four quadrants the chopper circuit will be operated. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So thank you very much for your patience.